Adit. I work for a company called Audio Design here in Delhi. It's a rental company. Right now here I am at Sun Infonet office. We are having a training seminar for Avantis mixer. It's a very beautiful mixer. It's a small compact mixer with many groundbreaking technologies that are available in the live industry as of now. And let's hope for the best for this product, and good luck to Heath.
Hi, I'm Syed from Audio Design. I'm the owner of Audio Design, and I'm here to attend the Avantis workshop, and it is one of the best workshop I have attended till now. Thank you, Heath and Sun Infonet.
हेलो, मेरा नाम दिनेश सेठी है। मैं एक साउंड इंजीनियर हूँ। मैं गुरु रंधावा के साथ वर्क करता हूँ। आज मैं अवांतिस की वर्कशॉप के लिए आया हूँ। इसका गेन प्रीएम बहुत अच्छा है। I hope कि आप सबको पसंद आएगा।
Hi, I am Kallol Nath, Senior Application Engineer here at Sun Infonet. Today's live industry demands we run every show at 96 kHz, and that's where our small and mid format consoles lacks. So here we have the Avantis that runs at 96 kHz. This workshop is mainly dedicated to the overview of the console and how we can have the best practices so we can get the most out of the console. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Neeraj. I represent Sun Infonet, and thank you all for coming in. Sun Infonet is in 20 years in this business. Our prime focus is to train the customers and give them correct knowledge and information so that they can make the right choice for the product they wish to buy. We have been focusing also on our support through after sales from our service centers in all major metros. Thank you once again for coming in for this educational program that was conducted today by my team, and I hope it was beneficial for you and you would make the right choice for the right products that you wish to use for your applications. Thank you so much and stay safe.